Okay guys, welcome to my channel again. It's Daniel Finance. Now in this video I'm going to show you four legit app that you can make money from by doing simple tasks like making surveys, answering questions to surveys, watching videos, doing stuff you like to do like visiting social media. With these four apps you can make a lot of money online. Even by referral you can make so much money. So let's quickly go without wasting time. Let's quickly go to the website. Now first of all, the first app I'm going to show you is called Cashkammer. Open your Google, type cashkammer.com. Now Cashkammer is a free earning site, earn reward by completing surveys and more. The only reward app that lets you earn reward even if you don't qualify for the survey. You see, so you just have to download the app. After download the app, you sign up. Wherever you are, you can still sign up on this app. Now this Cashkammer, after completing the survey, even though the survey is incorrect or you're not qualified, you still get your payments. It's very easy, it's very free. You can see redeem your point for paper cash and amazon.com gift card. Gift card codes are loaded right on your device. A lot more gift card will be added very soon. So it's very easy. Just have to get extra bonus when you earn achievement badges. Complete 5 offers, watch 25 videos, earn 8,000 points. 25 videos and you earn 8,000 points. And you know the unique thing about this app, immediately you install the app you get 300 points. When you get 300 points, 5,000 points will give us a minimum of $1. So, and it's not even hard to get that 5,000 points. You see, just visit site, play music, and you can even get up to 1,000 points when you play music. Just visit Play Store, download apps, you get paid. Now the second website I'm going to show you is called AddWallet. AddWallet.com. Go to your Google and type AddWallet.com. Now in AddWallet.com, brand wants your attention, make and buy, get rewarded for watching videos. Yes, just have to watch video. Per minute you watch is $3. Get rewarded for watching videos from band you can care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and it was up to $3. Plus unlock exclusive offer. You see, sign up, we're going to sign up, earn real money online from your favorite brand, watch a video, receive a text when it's time to log in to watch a short video and picked just for you. You see, get rewarded, earn a minimum of 0.50 and up to $3 per video interaction. Make more money, earn an additional $1 for every friend you refer, plus download offers from brand dealer. You see, from friends you refer you can make up to $1. When you reach $10 you can cash it out. It's very easy, very small, it's not even big. $10 you can cash it out. And in this app you can make up to $50, $100. You can even refer. There are many fronts which you can go and refer. Fronts like trendy.com, you can go to trendy.com and refer people and make money online. Now look at it, so many people have cashed out on this app. Look at their review. You really make money doing it. Look at their review, they are smiling, they're enjoying the money. So you can also enjoy this money. So it's very easy. Just create an account with them. When you create an account, you put your details, and it's very easy and simple. Now the next app I'm going to show you is Money SMS. MoneySMSapps.com. MoneySMSapp.com. Now make money online. Money SMS app is just sending you free messages. You just have to receive message with your phone and you are making the money. Money SMS is free Android app that enable you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and our customer. You see, very easy. Money SMS is a free Android app that enable you to make money online automatically. You see, it works on Android phone. So application is extremely Android based because any Android allows app to access SMS. You see, so with Android phone you can make money on Money SMS. They will just send you the message, very easy. You don't even need to read. You just receive the message with your phone number and you are getting the money. The more message they send, the more money you get. Our app does not read any of your private messages or use any other data. We can access only our own text SMS. You see, so the ones they have sent to you is the only one they can access. So they can access the message in your phone. So you are still safe, you are secure in this app. You earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from your side. You see, just relax and you just receive the money whenever they send message to this app on your phone. Referral program, you can refer our app to your friends and community and earn 30% from their earn. You see, whatever they earn you get 30%. It's very easy. Whatever they earn you get 30% from there. So there's nothing hard for you to do. for our app is completely free. You see, you don't have to pay any money to sign up. You don't have to pay any amount to join them. You just have to download the app and you sign up. It's free and there is no hidden fees. When you sign up, you receive the SMS and you get paid, and you can withdraw your money anytime, anywhere, wherever you're interested, through paper or any other source. Now the next app I'm going to show you is GetPaidTo.com. Now GetPaidTo.com is a app and also a website where you can earn money by doing surveys. Now when you make 5,000 points on GetPaidTo, that 5,000 points is equals to $1, and it's not hard to make 5,000 points. It's very easy. Now you can see per survey can give 25,000 points. So this one, complete the survey, 1,038 points. So it's very easy. Just make survey on this website and you're getting your money. You play games, you earn different cash online, you visit websites, and you also download app. When you download app, they pay you for downloading the app. So it's very easy, it's very smooth. And when you sign up, you get 25 points. Free 25 points. When you sign up, you get free 25 points. You can also share a referral link to refer and earn points. So these 4 apps can give you more money, more points, and more ways to earn online. Thank you for watching. It's Daniel Finance. Please subscribe to my channel to get more updates on how to make money online the easy and the most simple way, without stress, without any side effect, without any hustling, just free and clear and smooth. Thank you. Thank you.